Hello, welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order, please?
Yeah, I just need a burger, man.
Would you like some fries with that?
Nah, I'm all right.
Are you sure? They're cooked to a crispy golden perfection.
Yeah, man, I'm sure, all right?
Perhaps a soda. You know we're doing salads now. A lot of people don't expect that from McDonald's. Chunky chicken salad.
Look, man, could you just give me my damn burger, all right? What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another episode! Trinity We Can Eat! Episode 2.
What are we eating?
T-R-E. T-R-E. Guys, we are back with another review. And today, we are reviewing... What are we reviewing, Bill? Boo?
Something literally out of the box that Honey brought home today.
We are reviewing the McRib 4.0. Yeah, I say 4.0 because this is like the fourth time they done took it away and brought it back. McRib 2020, guys. Let's open up these bad boys. Have you guys had it yet? If you haven't, we're going to tell you how it tastes because this is going to be McRib 2020 review.
This is big for me. This is really
You never
big.
had it?
Do I eat fast food?
You never had it?
No.
Oh man, this is probably like I had it back in maybe 2006, and then I think I had it in the 90s or 80s. And they brought it out, they took it away. They brought it. I don't know why they just don't leave the McRib on the menu. Like, come on, McDonald's, who y'all fooling?
So what they change? Nothing.
We was opening it up. I didn't know we was opening it up. You done open it up without me. You ready? I'm talking too much. That's what it is.
One,
I'm talking.
two.
No, ain't no countdown.
No, you're not talking
countdown.
too much.
Now you want to count down after you gonna open it up and show them the goodies.
No, you're not talking too much. Go ahead, keep talking. Tell
All right, so like I was saying,
tell them what you're excited about.
Like I was saying, yeah, this is like my third time. You know what I mean? First time for 2020. Just came out, and today we're gonna tell you. All right, let's just get right into the review.
I'm almost late. My phone getting cold. Oh, you done?
Yeah. Let's open it up. Y'all see this?
What's in it?
So the McRib, it's a barbecue pork sandwich with onions and pickles.
Ooh.
I can't wait.
Are you gonna eat your pickles?
I'm eating everything.
Oh.
No, you can't have none. You don't eat fast food. You forgot?
But I eat pickles.
Well, you go in the pantry and get some pickles.
That's crazy.
Ooh, the bread. So nice and soft.
It looks interesting.
How's your bread? Is it nice and soft too?
It is.
I can smell it. You smell the barbecue sauce. As soon as you open the box, you smell it.
I like that these onions look fresh.
They do look fresh, and the aroma is enticing. Like, I'm smelling this right now, and I just want to...
Eat it?
Yeah. No, we got to say grace. You got to say grace.
Oh, Father
Grace.
God.
All right. Let's eat.
That's not really how we be praying, but okay, grace, that's what we doing today?
Grace. Happy holidays, guys. That's why we got on the Christmas hat. You know, holidays is up and coming. Hope y'all did y'all Christmas shopping.
Can y'all believe like the year flew by? OMG.
First bite, you ready, Boo?
Not really. This is pretty messy.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my God, this is so messy.
Don't it look good? Y'all want the first bite? Hell no, y'all ain't getting the first bite.
I'm going to take a bite. Oh, okay. Well, it's pretty soft and flavorful.
That first bite was good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take another bite.
Do you still want your pickles?
Don't watch my sandwich.
Okay.
Watch your sandwich.
All right.
This sandwich is banging. I'm glad I picked it up. No lie. Hold on, let me take one more bite.
I can taste the onions in it. So fresh. If it didn't have onions, it wouldn't make the sandwich. And the pickle. It gives it like some kind of kick.
Guys, I told you how good this sandwich tastes. You need to go try this sandwich. I think this is the best McRib I ever had.
Pickles.
I really think this is the best. Onions.
Well, this is a pretty good McRib sandwich. I can't say the best ever because this is my first one ever. So, for it being my first one ever, it's pretty good.
You gonna eat the pickles?
Hell yeah, I'm gonna eat my pickles.
No, I was just pulling your leg.
Hell yeah, eat my pickles.
So you can see how it feels.
Shoot. All my onions, just in case you was thinking about it.
Yeah, we ain't got no napkins, nothing.
You don't need no napkin. Look. Damn good. Right? That's how you gotta eat. Yeah. You said it was damn good.
It is good, guys.
Look, don't forget to eat your onion right there.
I'm gonna eat that too.
Oh, okay. I like how those onions are crunchy. If my onions was soggy, I'll be real mad.
Y'all probably waiting for our rating.
Right, please give them your rating.
Not yet.
Oh, you gotta eat the whole sandwich?
Let me eat the whole sandwich.
Oh.
This sandwich too good to wait. I want it to get cold.
Oh.
Once I'm done, I'm gonna rate this sandwich out of 1 out of 10. Just give me a sec.
I think you really liked it. You almost done.
I should have bought 2. Why y'all ain't tell me to buy 2?
Oh. Y'all ever had this? If y'all did, let us know what you think.
Comment below if y'all had the McRib 2020.
If y'all didn't have it, go buy it and then still let us know what you think.
For real.
Get it at McDonald's. I love that I can taste these onions, like so crunchy. So good.
I ain't gonna lie. This is the truth. It's hitting us busy. The spot.
It's really?
I'm sorry. Y'all want the last bite?
You ain't gonna share no bite.
Let me get some sauce on there for y'all.
You're not gonna share, trust me.
Get some sauce on there for you. Nah, change my mind. Took too long.
Guys, it's pretty good. I would get it again.
Pretty good? It's really good.
Yeah.
Why don't you give me your rating while I finish mine?
I'm still eating mine.
You gonna eat all that?
You want my sandwich? Let me see if I got pickles. Cause you didn't get my pickle, dog. It's pretty good. I never had one of these. I would rate it a 9.
You give it a 9?
Maybe a 10. It's really good.
Oh, so we're just waiting for me, right?
Yeah.
Drum roll. Oh, let me need some water. Sorry, guys.
Hey, let me talk with your mouth full. Sorry, I already doing that.
I do what I want. You've been doing it.
Yeah.
Guys, I give this sandwich a 10. A 10.
Yeah, it's really good.
Go get this McRib today. It is limited. What was it? Limited time? It's a limited time. Get it today before they take it off the menu, man. You know how McDonald's is. They're going to take it away for a 4th time. And then we waiting for another 5 years for them to bring it back out. Please, go get you this McRib 2020. Make sure y'all wear your mask too. You know what I mean? Coronavirus, guys.
Yes, do that. And don't share your pickles.
Don't share nothing. Eat the whole damn sandwich.
Eat it.
It's that good, guys.
It is.
Hope you like this episode of Trini Rican Eats. And we are out!